Cleveland Avenue and 11th.
What's going on there?
They going the opposite way. So a guy just hit the electrical pole on the side in front of the building, and the pole is in the middle of the street. And the car just kind of flipped around. But like the pole was in different places on Cleveland Avenue.
Okay, what is your name?
Well, I'm looking at your substations.
And did you guys just hear it?
No, I seen it. I'm looking out my office window. A small grayish black car. See, look, the pole's sitting right there.
Did they hit a building?
No, they hit the pole, an electrical pole. It's like a light pole that sits on Cleveland Avenue. And he hit that, so the light is shattered all in the street, and the pole is flipped over, and it's in the street on Cleveland Avenue. So all the traffic right here at Cleveland and 11th, they're trying to divert and not hit the stuff in the pole. And the car flipped around, and he's a little further up Cleveland Avenue. But,
Like a little north of or south of by the substation?
South or north of the substation.
Like, I mean, from 11th, is he closer to the sub or away from it?
He's closer to the substation on 11th. At the 11th in Cleveland. Like, my window, I can see your substation.
Okay, we're getting several calls on it now. We'll get somebody out there as soon as we can.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
We're sending people.
All right. Second car flips. And we're in the clear and start for 1371 Cleveland.
That's 5. I'm here. We got, don't look like any cars split, but one maybe trapped inside. Hey, sir, you okay?
Yes, sir.
You able to get out? Yes, no? Hey, wait, just let the medics, they're here.
Okay. Yeah, he's been sitting here a bit.
Okay, medics right here. Hey, can you move your hands, your arms, anything? Sir? No?
That's 5, we need more cars.
We got another car down
Sarge, you want to shut down.
up on the sidewalk into the tree.
Southbound Cleveland, probably.
Hey, you okay?
How many cars shut down southbound Cleveland?
Is this a...
I think code 4 will head that way. Thank you.
Hey, guys, yeah, get out of here. That's right. This is looking like a single car. Sorry. Going down there?
The caller saying black car, male driver hit a white Toyota van, then continued, crashed into the Magna. Yeah, I'm going to see now where I was going to have almost on the sidewalk. Okay.
You're going to have to go that way. What are you doing? Yeah. Yeah.
Taylor 45 Jazz, 1381 Aberdeen, 2000 maroon Ford truck, unknown plate, last 5 to 10 minutes. 7412. 7412.
Only 2 Victor, no victim out here, and I believe that maroon Ford truck is probably the one that 24 has up on that floor. We'll have to the Aberdeen.
Okay.
That's great.
What?
I said that's great.
Yeah, he took overdose. You gotta look at your pupils, sir. Yeah, they're pinpoint.
Hey, Wagon, can you divert everyone that road there north of Dollar General or whatever?
Maybe we don't have to drive them, though.
We're good. Yeah.
Gave him a little Narcan. Hooked him up. He did walk out of the vehicle for us.
Okay. He's going to take the OVI portion of it.
Okay. They're going to go ahead. I think they're going to transport him
27 just from Walgreens.
because he was
39.
unresponsive and now he's complaining. Yeah, airbags went off.
I'm going to grab some. You guys need to go right now, or can I grab some info from him?
No, they're hanging out.
They got his ID.
What did you do? Did you do cocaine? What drug did you do? Heroin.
You want me to leave the... You can tell them. I'll leave.
Yeah, he'll take off. You can tell us. Okay, so here's the deal. You were unresponsive. You're unconscious. Barely breathing. Narcan reverse that.
They are. They're just hanging out right now. He's awake and alive now from the Narcan. Want me to get a hook started for you?
I saw a guy walking this way. I'm like, what's up, man? And he points out. It's like, oh, shit.
I saw you look that way, and then I started walking out front. Right when you looked the other way. Oh, Sergeant Weber.
So close. I saw like that she just had the location of 5-something.
That would have been gnarly if he would have crashed on the sub.
Roads are slippery coming over. You've had a crash up here before. Yeah.
Into the sub, really?
There used to be like a, I think there used to be like a dumpster sitting right here, and dude jumped out and pitched a gun in there real quick.
Nice.
Someone called in afterwards.
She's not gonna die or anything.
She was by herself. She said she was driving northbound, and Dum Dum came across the center line and hit her, and then caused all this.
Oh well.
You want to get a tow trucks on the way so we can get this opened up.
Yep, I'll get it started. Is that just for the owner down there for safekeeping?
Yeah, Banks was talking to her and got her info, but yeah, just start 2 tow trucks. So we can get this done.
That's 5 to your list.
Go ahead, that's fine.
You start 2 hooks, please. One at 11th in Cleveland, another one at Chittenden in Cleveland. Both for safekeeping for now. Rollbacks, please.
I think it's good, yeah. You said rollbacks for both, right?
Yes, sir.
It starts all the way down there.
Pick up.
Anybody hurt real bad?
He's just 34L, I guess. Sounds like. No, but I mean.